how to buy down of golden era token. So this token came under the symbol of Doge. So before we start, this is not financial advice and professional or economic experts. Before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. Now we created 1 day ago. So as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's meaning investment in a safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, open the Radium, go and open the Radium website. Now, as you can see here, I will just disconnect my wallet from here. Sorry, guys. So what you need to do first, connect your wallet, select your wallet from here, as you can see. Now connect your wallet. For example, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now after that, if you don't see your token here, go back to the screener to that token page, copy the token address from here, go back to Radium, click here, select the Solana as a network, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on plus, click on it again, and you will be able to see it here from the top. Select the token that you will be used to buy, for example USDC, but make sure you have enough USDC on your wallet. After that, type how much you want to buy. Now here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. Click on more info and make sure to read all of this information, and if you are ready to go, just click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet via Radium. So this is how to buy Doge token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.